Hi, it's Nigel Reid here. I'm located in Glen and I specialise in digital marketing, internet marketing, and drove past your showroom the other day. I live in Glen Road, so I drove past your showroom the other day, and I thought, well, I'll just check out your website just to see what sort of state it's in. So this is your website here, and look, when I looked, I thought this is a great website. You've got a lot of content. It's very clean. It's modern. It's obviously fairly new. Looking at it, fairly new and very modern website. It's got a lot of content on it that I found going back. If I look at not the projects, but there's a lot of you've got a lot of good photos in there of bathrooms, kitchens that you've obviously renovated over the journey, and a lot of articles as well. So when I went there, I noticed that you've got articles not dating to 2018, but beyond that, obviously, down to 2014, I think, when I had a look. So yeah, 2014. So great website. Anyway, just at first looks, I can see that there's some work that I can help you with here. But mainly I was looking at also your presence on Google, because if I typed in bathroom renovations Glen basically you know where to be seen, and that may not be a problem for you. I don't know what areas of Melbourne you are looking at servicing, whether it's just Glen Caulfield, Camberwell, Malvern, eastern suburbs, Bayside. But in any case, when I looked at it, I thought, well, it's not certainly in the locale where your showrooms are, which I thought would have been a good area to promote. And it's not in the 3-pack. So here's the local businesses. That's called the 3-pack. And in there, you're not anywhere there. But if I look at all of them, you're actually there, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you're fifth, which is not far from getting a page 1 result. But there's some things I can see that you need to do, both on your website and within this listing to get there. And in terms of being on page 1, well, you're not there. In fact, you're not on any of the pages that I looked at for looking for bathroom renovations. And just as a little bit of a backup for that, I use this tool that shows me, and this is what you rank for at the moment. So you don't rank for things like bathroom renovations, kitchen renovations, kitchen remodeling, bathroom remodeling, any of those things. But you do rank for Reese plumbing products. Now that may not be of interest to you, but it's just an indication that your website, so that's your website in there, the name there, that your website's not ranking for any of these terms, for bathroom related terms, but it is ranking for things like, well, champagne kitchens it does rank for, and it looks like you might be getting about 3 visits a month for that. But the rest of it, you're not getting a lot of visits overall in a month, and that's certainly an area that I can help you with. I've worked with other bathroom renovation companies that do bathrooms, kitchens, alfrescos, general renovations, and I know how to help you to get far more exposure on the internet and increase your revenue. So if that's of any interest to you, get in touch with me, and if you don't get in touch with me, that's fine. I'll get in touch with you and just touch base with you in a couple of days or a week to see if you've had a look at this video and what your thoughts were. Anyway, thanks again for your time.